you have a high converting sales page, just send them the high converting sales page. You know what I mean? But the more they earn, so it goes absolutely, be like solid, and don't worry, it's not gonna max out your credit card, LOL. Hurry up. No, don't send that yet.
Yeah.
Be like, cool, man. This definitely isn't gonna be like, cool, man. I'll send that over, and don't worry, it's not gonna max out your credit card, LOL. It's less than $500. It's much less than $500. Actually, that's all you need to say. Max out your credit card.
And so that last part is to hold back, or also to.
Well, it's to say that he's going to buy on this. No, it's going to say that, yeah, it's not going to max out your credit card, because I already know what he's looking at was a little over $3,000. So this isn't, and it's better.
I was in like wait, Fabio knows this.
1 second.
Yeah, I was.
Well, we don't have time. So go in here. So text, say like, check this out. Be like, check this out. Let me know your thoughts, or if you have any questions. And if you join, just text me, and I'm gonna send you the link to our messaging coaching group. Just text me so that I could send you the link to the coaching group. Say that. Boom. So that's urgency. So you have urgency. Let me know your thoughts if you have any questions. And if you join, just let me know, and then I could put you in the group. So you got to give him a way to say yes or no without just buying. And then right here above, we're giving him a risk reversal. So he's going to check this out. He's going to look at the course. He's going to see that it's cheaper, and it's probably hitting all his pain points, because I've done a lot of research on this stuff. He's going to type, we're going to handle the objection. He's probably going to have an objection. Okay, so typically what they say, is this like the full deal, or is there a super secret Uber training?
Super secret.
Be like, nah, man, like this is close to 50 videos, hours and hours of content and coaching. I have a 1-to-1 program, but I don't think that's what you need right now to build trust. So yeah, he says I'm jaded. Perfect. So nah, bro, this is the real deal. 50 videos, or say close to 50 videos, hours of content and coaching. Don't say and coaching. It sounds like we're overselling it. Just don't say and coaching. Yeah. And then say period. So, okay, not period. Say, nah, bro, this is the real deal. Close to 50 videos, hours of content. I do have a 1-to-1 program, but I don't think that's a fit for you. Not that I don't think that's a fit for you. To say, I do have a 1-to-1 program, but I don't think you need that right now.
And then I can tie it back to what he wanted. I think you need quick results.
So hurry up. Say right now. Then just send that. Okay, and then you could say, so you said quick results. I just think you need a way to make some fast sales, and this is the course for you, and this is a good course for it. Actually, hold on, wait, don't send that yet. Or for getting a bunch of calls booked.
He's not one to book calls. He's selling on anything.
Okay, don't worry. Then say, okay, so thanks for being straight up. Be like, yeah, man, did you get a chance to check out the page? Be like, yeah, for sure, dude. No, say, yeah, for sure, dude.
Oh.
Did you get a chance to check out the page? Yeah, you're typing faster now. You're learning, young Padawan. For sure, dude.
John, are
Did
you
you
doing
get a
this on the
chance?
computer?
Oh, he's
Yeah.
typing again. Come on, baby. I'm gonna check my Stripe.
Check my strike.
Do you personally come out better on a paid in full or a payment plan?
What?
Okay, hold on.
Like,
He's
you
seeing
make
how to
more if
pay.
you-
Okay, so I've been in jobs where either or is true. Be like, no,
Oh,
man,
he's
I get
asking
it.
about my
He-
commission.
Yeah, no, man. Dylan pays me all up front, so it's all good either way. Be like, thanks for looking out though. So you guys have high rapport. Yeah, this is a perfect sale. Thanks for looking out though.
Yeah, I can sell salespeople all day.
Yeah, because there's a lot of congruency. You know, you guys are, and there's also that kind of camaraderie, or like it's kind of like Jeep people who have Jeeps. They all,
Yeah.
like do this to each other. Right.
Yeah, that's true.
Like, oh, you're a Jeep guy? Oh, I'm a
No
Jeep guy
way.
too.
I have a big dog and like mountain biking as well. Yeah, of course.
Yeah. So, okay, cool. So while we're waiting on this, who has questions about this flow?
Yeah, we can
Is this
go
all
to
making
any
sense so
point
far?
in the conversation if you want me to.
So this is was this cold outreach from the group?
This was from a two-step post where
Okay.
he was asking about like this specific thing.
Okay, cool. So that was like an offer post. Okay, here we go. So a lot of times when you're doing two steps, it's kind of trickery. It's like a bait and switch. But sometimes you got to be straight up and say, here's the price. Here's what I can do for you. And people will be like, I'd like that. Right? Would you be
The offer
interested?
post,
I'd like
yeah.
that. Yeah, an
Okay,
offer
yeah.
post.
Yeah.
So it's like an offer two-step. Actually, I got an email, so I think he bought. I don't even really need to watch the testimonials for $400. It's worth the gamble. We just closed live. He just bought it.
Freaking sweet. Look at that.
Like, congrats, bro. Shit. Like, congrats, bro. I'll send over the group to join. I think Dylan's gonna go live tomorrow. Definitely bring your messages because he's gonna change the game for you.